Hey mate, here I am again testing out this 35mm 1.8 from Sony. Again, it's not having the face detect because I have an LCD on top. When you put your hand in front, you can see it's focusing on my hand, focusing to my face, focusing to my hand, focusing to my kitchen, which is, yeah. And if I do this, it's gonna focus to my hand. It's not focusing to my hand. Yeah, it's focusing to my hand. My face is blurry. And if I do this, focusing to me, focusing to hand, focusing to hand. So that's how fast the 35 1.8 Sony is. It's just like the rest, like the 55 1.8 and the 85 1.8. So I'm gonna test this lens and check it to its spaces, and I'm gonna see the sharpness. As for now, I'm satisfied. It's very quick. Look at that focus. Look at that. And I put my hand in here, put something in here. So if I'm gonna remove the LCD, it's gonna do face detect, but you know how it works. Yeah, this is how sharp this lens is. I'm gonna go closer, go closer, go closer. This is the length. Yeah, I can still see. I'm looking at myself with the LCD. Anyway. Yeah, this microphone's here, so it's gonna be garbled, but this is how far my face goes near the lens. So check out. This is just my initial video for this lens, and I apologize for the sound at the back. I'm washing my dishes, and it's gonna be just disregard that one. I'm gonna testing this lens. I'm gonna test this lens and see how it goes. I do mainly photography, so I'll try to do a lot of photos with it, but the video, I'm really happy with it. I used to love my 24 1.4, but this one is not, it makes me not fat, something like that. But yeah, this one here has a nice angle. Anyway, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. Anyway, that's it. So that's the initial thing I can see with this 35 1.8 from Sony. Good lens. Yeah.